Okay, we're heading to the top level. Large great room. Really good views from up here. I'll head out on the deck to show you. Here's where the elevator arrives. Here's the half bathroom, powder room, tile floor, tile walls, wallpaper. Here's the master bedroom. Large closet. Bathroom. Large tiles floor. And a large shower. Okay, this is hardwood floors up top here. And then tile in the kitchen, dining area. Hardwood's losing a little finish in the high traffic areas. Here in the top of the stairs. Built-in cabinets. Gas fireplace. Everything looks good up here. Ceiling looks good. Windows all look good. Again, if it's something you're really serious about, you have this all inspected. I'm not an inspector. Looks like a little water damage down here. Granite countertops. Where's that marble? Granite. I guess that's granite. It gives you an idea of how rusty some nails can get on the neighbor's house. The paint and siding looks really good on this one when we go out, although I haven't taken a super good look yet. The cooktops on the island here, and that's gas. You've got a double oven. This top oven works as microwave as well. Okay. Cabinets here. Pretty standard for our area. Take a look at the sink. Okay, so that is upstairs. Let's we'll work our way down to the downstairs area, and then we can go outside.